Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's TechForge. I am Arun Gurva, and today we will learn how to scrap LinkedIn profiles, LinkedIn posts using any app. So let us begin. So here is what we will learn today: how to scrap LinkedIn profile. Okay, so here is what we are going to learn today, how to scrap LinkedIn post. So we will be using Apify. Okay. And here I will show you two approaches. First one is how to use HTTP request, and then we will be using Apify Excel. So let us see the Apify. So you need to go to apify.com and you need to register there and you will get $5 credit, okay, so that you can test your workflow. Now here you can see we have 7,000 plus actors for web scraping and automation process. So you can see TikTok scrapper, Instagram scrapper, Facebook post scrapper, and so many things. I will cover YouTube downloader is also there. I will cover a few of them. So let us first search LinkedIn and you can see so many things are there. You have to select any one of them. For today, I have selected this guy, LinkedIn profile scrapper. Okay. So let us go to this post actors. Okay. Then click on this guy. So here you need to add the URL. So there are again two options of doing this one. Either you select individual profile from here, or you can use a Google Sheet in case you want to scrap more than one person profile. So here I am only using my own LinkedIn profile. That is why I have not used Google Sheet for this one. Okay. So here is my LinkedIn profile. Okay. If I come down, here are some of the posts I have posted earlier, and we will be scrubbing those things. For that, I use my LinkedIn URL, and here I have limited to 5. By default, it will be 100. Okay. After doing that, you have to click on the start button so that the scrubbing actors will run. Okay. Now, let's go to the animated workflow. Let me create a new workflow. So, I will be using a manual trigger. Then I will be using an HTTP request node. Now the next option is to set this right. Before that, we need to create a Google Sheet also. So you create a Google Sheet like this where we will be storing the information. So for today's demo, I am storing LinkedIn URL, then text, first name, last name, and template of the post. Okay. So, once you create it, then go to anytime. Now we need to enter the details of our Apify actors URL. Okay. So first go there. Okay. Another thing I want to show you. You need to have your token. So go to settings, click on it, and you will see here at the top API integration. Just create a key. Okay. So I have actually created one. You can just create a key, give the description, and click on create. That's it. Later you will need that information. Then simply, this is the key I have created. So simply copy it and paste it in a notepad. Okay. Then you come to the actors. Okay. Here we go. Select this actor. Click on this API and click on the API endpoint. Now, from this list, run it synchronously and get dataset item. You can copy this guy. If you want, you can test it also. You will get some test data. So it means this is running. Okay. And close it. So the good approach is to click on View API reference. Click on this View API reference, and you need to go to this card. We will click on copy. Okay, now this is done. Then you have to add your actor ID here. How can you get that actor ID? Okay, so let us go there. You see the console here. After the sectors, this L to this before that slash, before the input, select this one and paste it there. You need to take care of this colon, remove that guy. Okay? Now, slowly come down, acceptation, authorization. Here you need to paste the token. Earlier, what you have copied it, paste it like. Then another important thing is it should be JSON, and here you will use JSON. Now, how do you get this JSON content? Again, go back to your input. Since you have added the profiling and all, right? Simply click on JSON, copy to the clipboard, and paste it here. Expression, okay. I think this is done. Let's see. Anything we need to add? No. Let us execute this step. Click here. Yeah, we are getting these values, right? Okay. Now the next thing is we want to paste or insert the output from the post to our Google Sheet. What would we do now? Click on it. Click on Google Sheet. Okay. No, not Google. This one, Google Sheet. Then we need to append rules, right? Click on append rules to give your credentials. Sit within document. We will append it. Click on this and select your Google Sheet name. And in that sheet, you will have the sheet one here. In my case, it is sheet one. I have not renamed it, so I will select sheet one. Click on it. Okay, let us see manually map the line. So these are the few fields that I have mentioned here. So we need to map it now. How can we do that? This is the LinkedIn URL. Drag it once, yeah. Then text, I need to drag that text, first name from the author, last name from the author, and the headline. We will get headline somewhere. Let us see. Yeah, this is the headline. Okay, the headline. I won't run this thing for this demo. Let us now execute it. Click on execute. Yeah, the note execute it. And you get all this information stored here. Okay, so this is the text. It has extract all of these things. This is from post number one. This is from post number two. So it grabs three posts. Post one, post two, no, five posts, right? Yeah. Post one, post two, post three, because I have selected five. So five of those things are stored in our Google Sheet. Okay. Now I want to show you another operation here. Let's click on it and if the Apify, we can do this without HTTP request also using this Apify. There you have to select run task and get the data set. Is that okay? No, run actor and get the data set. So let us click on this guy. Now you have to use new credentials, then you say connect, then it will ask you about this Apify, click on it, allow access, and that's it. I won't do that because I will select my own. This first account, let me delete the second one. Since I have not selected. Okay, I can do that also. So I will select this one, actor, get actor. Okay, recently used from which actor I will. We need to do the same card. Okay, or not this one. It will be this guy. Simply copy to clipboard. Say paste it and let's try. We will get the result. Let's wait for a while. Yeah, we got it right. Now, it is this. Oh my god. I would have deleted that thing. Now that I have to click here. Right? Google Sheet. Google Sheet. Then append the row. And sorry for that. Then select from the first, choose from the list one, execute the previous step. Yeah, execute step. Yeah. Now let us set this once again. Name the URL. So this will be this URL. Text will be this text, first name, last name, and the headlines. Let us execute this one. This time it will execute. And yeah, it is done now, right? We are in row 22. Let us execute once again. Yeah, let's see. It's finishing. So we are done. In this demo, I have demonstrated how to use Apify Excel, okay, by selecting the Apify node as well as the plain old thread that is HTTP reverse. Also, I want to point you, if you select this one from the list, then if this node is not installed previously, there you will see a description to it will notify you to install it. Then simply click on install and your job is done. So this is how we can spread LinkedIn, post profiles, and we can store relevant information for further analytics. Okay. Even you can just use a LLM and then from this sheet, read those posts. You can ask the LLM to write a comment. Okay, and you can do so many things, so many different types of analytics as per the user's need. So this is it for today's guide. I will request you guys to join my inner circle. You will get all the important notes, PDF, the templates, the JSON one I have demonstrated right now. I will be uploading it into my Google Drive. So you just go to the description and fill the Google form. You will get the link at your email so that you can download both of my books as well as the data, workflow documents, and important PDFs that I will be periodically uploading in the shared Google Drive. Okay, guys. So please like, share, subscribe, and please click on the bell icon right now. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much and have a great day.